Hey guys, this is Chromatuts, and in this tutorial we'll be looking at some basic 3D camera movement. When I make a new comp, just call it 3D camera. If you hear any rustling in the back, it's my sister's dog. Yeah, chihuahuas tend to be annoying. Okay, go away. I'm gonna make a new text layer and write Chromatuts. Just put it on the center, makes it easier. And we're gonna make that little 3D trick we did. I'm gonna call it 3D text. I'm gonna put the shadow effect, which is found under simulation shadow or effects presets. Just type it in. I'm gonna go to rendered. Set the forces to 0. And the shape to custom and Chromatuts. So we're going to turn off the view from Chromatuts. Extrusion depth 0.6 approximately. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a new camera. Where I'm going to call it Panasonic HD camera. It doesn't matter what you call it, I just call it because it's funny. Right. Now if we were to orbit, you see this will not look good. Just make these layers 3D. Remember about that. Just click these blocks. So this doesn't look nice. I mean, it just doesn't give us 3D, right? So we're going to undo the movement so it remains in its position. Unfortunately, I've bashed it off. Original layer. And make sure it's aligned approximately to the center. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to our 3D text thing, and where the camera system is, we're going to go to comp camera. Now what happens is when we move it, you can see we have our 3D. This looks crappy from the back and generally when it does the transition, but otherwise if you get the 180 view from the front, it looks stunningly cool as for such a simple animation. Then if you want to make movement, what we're gonna do is just gonna hit P, so highlight Panasonic camera, hit P, keyframe, and maybe here we want it to move like that, something, and now we still got some shadow going on, which means I haven't turned it off completely. From here, let's see. I bet it's gravity. Yep, forgot to turn off the gravity. So as you see, this rotates. It's pretty easy to do, and it looks good. So as you see, and then you can make the next keyframe, like this one, whatever, and it's just such a simple animation, and it just looks cool. Like, you know, Machinima, the gaming thing, they made something similar, but I think they rendered a 3D logo in an external program and they just played around with it. But yeah, still this looks nice, especially if I'd add the metallic look on the text. I'll probably make a remake of this tutorial, improve it somehow, add new cool stuff. So stay tuned, and this was another video from Chromatuts.